Hi. Today we're just going to go over a brief introduction of what verb tenses are. Now, depending on your level of English, you probably know a little bit about verb tenses. But if you don't, that's okay. For starters, let's talk exactly about what a verb is. The verb is a word in a sentence that basically indicates an action, activity, or state of being. It is kind of the word that moves the sentence along. Some examples of verbs include running, thinking, feeling, swim, swam, walk, talk, etc., etc. So knowing that, can you identify one verb for me in the following sentence? I swim at the pool every day. Right. In this sentence, the verb is swim. In this case, swim is the action being performed in the sentence. How about this sentence? Try again and tell me what the verb is. Yesterday, I swam at the pool. Correct. The verb is swam in that sentence. Now, do you see any difference between the two example sentences? I will repeat them again for you. I swim at the pool every day. And yesterday, I swam at the pool. Good job. If you notice the difference between swim and swam. These are two different verb tenses, and they indicate that the event happened at two different times. With verb tenses, you have words that mean essentially the same thing. In this case, the verbs are swim and swam, but they are spelled differently because they're referring to different time periods when an event took place. If that's confusing, that's okay. That's English for you. Here, let me show you using the examples from above, what I'm talking about. The first sentence, I swim at the pool every day, is an example of the present tense. We use the present tense when we refer to a reoccurring event, something that happens regularly. So in this case, the subject of the sentence is swimming at the pool every day, which is pretty regularly. So we use the present simple verb tense, swim. In the second sentence, yesterday, I swam at the pool. This is an example of the past tense. The past tense is one that we use to indicate an action that happened in the past and is completed. It's over. So, in this case, yesterday is referring to the past, obviously, and it is action that was completed and not reoccurring. So we use the verb swam, which is an example of the past tense. Okay. Remember, the present simple we use to refer to actions or events that are ongoing or reoccurring. And the past simple we use for actions or events that took place in the past but are now over. I hope that helped, and thanks.